All right, thank you so much. We're still very much around here on the program this morning on ITV, and we have Mr. Brightens Ogimonyi, who is the CEO of Brightens Engineering Company. You're welcome to this program.
Thank you so much.
Now, one more time, what are your products? What are they?
Well, before I go into the products proper, I want to use this opportunity first to appreciate God for the God-given talents which we have been able to manifest through Brightens Electronics Company. Then I also want to use this opportunity to appreciate University of Benin Alumni Association for finding me worthy to be given the Distinguished Alumnus Award. You see, I want to let University of Benin know that as my alma mater, I truly appreciate that award. And that award given to me by University of Benin Alumni Association has spawned me now to work harder and to do better things in the forthcoming year, and to see how I can bring my social corporate responsibility of training people how to do this said God-given talent. So I want to also use this opportunity to wish my father, as he's celebrating his Igwe festival too, I want to wish him Selogbe. I want to tell him Merry Christmas. And I also want to appreciate my wife, Princess Mrs. Josephine Ogimonyi Brightens.
And also to tell me, wish me Merry Christmas.
So
what are your products?
What are your
products? Quickly, because of time. What are your
products?
Now,
I want to say in Brightens Electronics, we manufacture and assemble Brightens inverters, Brightens alternator boosters, Brightens phase selectors, Brightens automatic changeover, Brightens stabilizers, Brightens security cameras, and so many, just to name a few. Yes.
Okay, you have the Brightens inverters and all that. Now, what is really the usefulness of the inverter? I think we need to talk strong on this. What are the usefulness of the inverters?
Yes, Brightens inverter is a circuit that is designed to generate power. It's an alternative source of power generation. And it's a circuit that can power your AC, your boreholes, your deep freezers, depending on the kVA you are going for. And I want to also let you know that the Brightens inverter is an inverter that is locally made here in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Take a look at it on the screen. This is the analog Brightens inverters. Then you will see the digital Brightens inverters. These are the digital ones. You can see the finished work of the said product. Does it not look beautiful? It's not. It doesn't look cut and made now. Can you see it?
They are.
So I want to let you know that it has not been like this all the years.
Okay, now these inverters now, I understand they have batteries in them. Now, when the batteries get drained, how do you charge them?
Yes, there are three methods you can use to charge an inverter battery after the battery has been drained. It is either you are going to use a public power, either BDC or NEPA or PACN, to a public power to charge the batteries through the inverters, or you can also use generators, a generator of a higher kVA to charge the inverters. Then you can also charge it through the sun, using the sun, which is through a solar panel with a solar charge controller. So with the help of a solar panel and a solar charge controller, you'll be able to charge your batteries to full. And there's a way we do the calculation when you want to use a solar panel. Because with bringing in a solar panel means you want to have a constant power supply. So there's a way we do the calculation. We miss it because in Nigeria we have two weather. We have dry season, we have rainy season. So there's a way we miss the panel, both mono and poly, in such a way that by the time it is being installed, no matter the weather fluctuations, you will still be able to generate your constant power. So that is some of the way you charge the batteries.
Okay. Now the Brightens inverters and other things that you make, what are the advantages comparing them to the foreign ones that we have in the market?
You see, one of the supreme advantage of Brightens Electronics or Brightens inverter is that it is made locally here in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. So there is no way the said product will have an after-sales service, and then you now say you don't know how to repair it. The advantage is it's not buying an inverter that is the issue. It's the after-sales service that is always the issue with using an inverter. Now, for example, the Brightens inverter is made here. If there's a problem with it, we are with you in Benin City, we are with you in Edo State, we are with you in Nigeria. But those foreign inverters, when they develop fault, you can hardly fix them. You start running to Lagos, running to Port Harcourt, looking for another one, or Onitsha, looking for another one that has an opposite issue so you can transpose them. So I want to let you know that those foreign inverters, they use what we call programming technology. Programming technology is a technology that enables a foreign company to regulate the durability of a said product after sales.
In other words, they are not made for our country here.
Well, not as if they are not made for our country here. The issue is that they put this programming technology in such a way that their inverter will work for a period of time and then to pack up. If you bring it back to them to fix, they will not. They will tell you that you have enjoyed the 1 year warranty, you should buy another one.
Okay, what about you? Do you fix such inverters, some of the foreign ones? You fix them?
No,
okay.
We don't fix foreign inverters. The reason being that sometimes if you look at the component, they will use a machine to plane away or scratch away the value of the actual value of the said component, making the repair a guesswork. It's not like your car where your farm bet is 40. You take it to the spare parts, they look at the number, they give another farm bet, your car is running. But this one, you will not be doing more of guesswork. And that's why people will tell you that they had challenges with foreign inverter, that it caught fire, or it burned down their electronics or something, the inverter caught fire. And again, whenever there is rain, that inverter does not have thunderstorm facility. Once there's a lightning, the foreign inverter will pack up. But in brightness inverter, we have double system thunderstorm resistor facility.
Okay. Now, most times when I hear you talk, I hear you talk about boosters and changeovers and all that. Now, are they the same thing with the inverters? Are they the same thing, or they are separate, machineries?
Yes, they are. They are separate because the brightness alternator booster is a device that you use to power your heat element electrical materials. The aim is that you don't have to drain or strain the generator. Each time you plug your pressing iron to your gen, you will see your gen dragging, doing this dragging, adjusting sound. But if you plug the pressing iron on top of the brightness alternator booster, you will realize that the feedback effect that was going to the gen will be reduced. The booster will divide it into two. So half of the surge is not going to the gen, half of the surge is not coming to the booster. And by so doing, to prolong the shelf life of the generator. I don't know if you understand what I'm explaining to you now. So, if you plug your iron, things we call heat element electrical materials, your pressing iron, your boiling ring or bread toaster, your shawarma toaster, your blender for tomatoes, your blender has coil, your gen has coil. So each time your gen is due for servicing and you are using the blender directly to the gen will return the feedback current back to the blender. That's what will make your blender to get burnt. The coil will not burn. But if you have the booster in between, such thing does not come up. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. And the pressing iron that you can use with the booster must not be more than 1,100 watts. If you are looking for a pressing iron that brings steam or water that brings steam, there are some for 800 watts. If you go to the market, you will see it. The booster is not designed for that non-tested iron that they bring from dustbin from abroad. That's not the kind of iron you can use on the booster. Those not-tested goods, those not-tested iron, you can't use them on the booster.
Okay. Now, this period is a period of giving and all that. Do you have bonanzas going on?
Of course, in Brightness Electronics Company, we have bonanzas at the moment. You want to buy our product, especially the inverters. If you pay a particular price, we'll give you at the promo discounted price. Or if you come to the office, after giving you the actual price, we'll now give you the promo discounted price. Now, that promo discounted price means that if you cannot pay at once, you can be given another room for installment payment within 2 months.
Okay.
So when you finish paying within that 2 months, you come and carry your goods. Or you buy the product, you are using it. After some years, you want a higher KVA to power more electronics for you. You return the one you bought before, and then we'll give you the higher upgrade. Or maybe you introduce 6 of your friends to come and buy inverter from us. We'll give you the next KVA upgrade free of charge.
Okay. Now, as we wrap up now, don't you have plans to train people? And secondly, where's your office located? Quickly.
All right. I want to let you know that training seminar is ongoing. Registration for the next training seminar is ongoing. If you look at this stream now, you will see the people that were trained this year, October, November this year. The training program is the first 50 people are to register with 120,000. You will be taught how to make the Brightens analog inverters. Now, looking at the screen, you see these people who came for the last training program. The money that you are going to pay, that 120,000 you are going to pay, it covers the materials. We know you are a learner. Within the 2 months of training, you may be making mistakes. Some of the components may even go bad. So we need to replace those components for you over a period of time. And so that's the reason why the training, that's why you pay the 120,000 for the first 50 people. Then at the end of the training program, you are still going to carry that inverter home. At the end of the training, the inverter you are going to build by yourself, you will still take it home at the end of the training program. So I also want to let you know that the first 50 people will register with 120,000. Subsequently, other people will pay 150,000. The training starts 18th of January 2018, and it will end on the 17th of March 2018.
All right, so where are you located? Your office address?
All right, Brightens Electronics Company is located at number 30, Federal Government Girls College Road, along the road near UBTH, Ugbawa, Benin City, just after Foursquare Gospel Church in Federal Road. The next 3 building is a down house. That is where Brightens Electronics Company corporate head office is located in Ugbawa at Federal Road. Then our phone number is, then again, before I forget, we open office Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Okay.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 10 o'clock to 3 p.m. That's when we are in the office, because we use our Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday to assemble and manufacture the said product based on our staff strength. So I want to let you know that if you want to reach me directly, my direct number is 080-894-62794.
Okay.
Let me repeat it. 080-894-62794. That's my direct number. And you can also like our page on Facebook. Just type Brightens Electronics Company on Facebook, like the page, you will see what we do. Or type the word videos of Brightens on YouTube, and you will see all what we do.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Mr. Brightens, for joining us.
Thank you.
We'll just take a short pause now. Now, please, the full edition, the full broadcast for Christmas Igbadun 2017 is going to be shown. It's going to be shown immediately after TMI, so please just stay tuned. In case if you want to watch the full broadcast of Christmas Igbadun 2017, immediately after this program, we are going to let you see that. Well, we'll take a short pause now. Stay tuned.